Hi everyone, welcome to my programming school. This is Ravi taking another topic in front of you based on data science. Today's topic data visualization in Python. In this tutorial, we will be learning explain what data visualization is and its importance in our world today. Python libraries, understanding the plots. What is data visualization? Let's start now. Data visualization. Data visualization is an important skill in applied statistics and machine learning. Statistics does not need to focus on quantitative descriptions and estimations of data. Data visualization provide an important suited on tool for gaining a qualitative understanding. In another word, data visualization is a technique to present the data in graphical format enable to stakeholders and decision maker to analyze data visualize the data is graphical format allow them to identify new trend and pattern easily. Let's look to example. We are a seller man in a leading global organization. The organization plan to study the sale detail of each product across all countries. This is identify the products which has to highest sale in the particular in of the production. This research will enable the organization to increase the manufacturing of that product. In the particular production, the data involved in this research might be huge and complex. The research on this large numerical data is difficult and time consuming when performed manually. When this numerical data is plotted on graph or converted in chart, easy to identify pattern and predict the result. Okay. Next one is that the main benefits of data visualization are as follows. First, it simplifies the complex qualitative information. It's help to analyze and explore big data easily. It's identify the areas that need attention or improvement. It's identify the relationship between data points and variables. It explore new patterns and reveals hidden pattern in the data. Here, three major considerations for data visualization. Clarity. Clarity ensures that the dataset is complete and relevant. This enables the data scientists to use the new pattern yet from the data in relevant places. Accuracy. Accuracy ensures using appropriate graphical representation to convince the right message. Third one, efficiency. Efficiency use different visualization technique which highlight all the data points. Next one, Python libraries. Many new Python data visualization libraries are introduced recently such as Matplot, Zybon. But here I talking about the plotting. Matplotting has main data visualization library. Let us learn about matplotting in detail. Introduction to Matplotlib. Matplot library is a Python two-dimensional plotting library for data visualization and creating interactive graphics and plots. Using Python's Matplotlib, the data visualization for large and complex data becomes easy. Matplot advantage. There are several advantages of using Matplotlib to visualize data. A multi-platform data visualization tool built on the NumPy and SciPy framework. Therefore, it's fast and efficient. It possesses the ability to work well with many operating systems and graphic backgrounds. It possesses high quality graphics and plots to print and view for a range of graphs such as histogram, bar chart, pie chart, scatter plots, and heat maps. With Jupyter Notebooks, integration, the developer has been free to spend their time implementing features rather than struggling with capabilities. We can create a plot using four simple steps. First, import the required libraries. The first step is import the required libraries. Here we have imported NumPy, PyPlot and style from Matplotlib. NumPy used to generate the random numbers, plot is used to plot numbers, style class used for setting the grid style, Matplotlib is inline is required to display the plot within the Jupyter notebook. Second one is a define or import the required dataset. Here we have defined dataset random number using numpy random methods. Note the range is 10. We have used the print method to view create random numbers. And third was the set the plot parameters. Set the plot parameters. In these steps, we set the style of plot label for the coordinates titles of plots, the legend and the line width. In this example, we have used ggplot as the plot style. The plot method used to plot the graph against the random numbers. In the plot method, volt G denote the plot line color as a green. The label denote the legend label and is named as line 1. Also the line width to note there we have label x axis as range and as label set the title as first plot. The last step is display the create plots. Use the legend method is plot graph based on set conditions and so method in display and created plot. Okay. Hi friends, I just start my new YouTube channel. Need your support, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share the video to your friends and like them. Thank you taking the time watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.